Hello everyone, this is Karthik from IT Learn. Welcome back to another training bootcamp, and the focus continues to be on QA to AI journey. One of the key things that will really assist you in becoming a better QA engineer with AI tools is to understand how we can build a AI agent using Python and apply it for software testing. So to be able to achieve this, I've organized a 4-day session, 4-day training, 2 weekends, Saturday, Sundays, 8 to 11 a.m. Pacific, April 5th, 6th, 12th, 13th. So please do join. What we will typically cover in this is some theoretical concepts that are very critical for us to understand, and then quickly go into a lot of coding and actual project that we'll be working on together. So we'll start with how AI is affecting testing at a larger scale, and what AI technologies and tools are in place that assist us in doing our jobs better. What are the things that we need to explore? Then we'll go about comparing and exploring a lot of existing QA tools, how they are coming up with latest features in their packets of SaaS solutions that they're coming up, and also the various other LLMs, GenAI, Agentic AI, players who are consistently looking at um, an overall automation task process. Software testing can easily adapt to it. So those would be something that we will explore, we'll compare, we'll set right. And finally, all that we will do in these 4 sessions would be to build our own agent. So if you have Python fundamentals, great. Otherwise, I'll do a very quick recap when we get to the 4th topic. We'll take an application under test. We will try and integrate and play around with existing tools, understand their strengths, weakness, where they lack, and then focus a lot on how we can build our own low code, no code Python AI agent. And before we deploy it into a CI/CD model, we'll definitely go through how new AI models get tested, validated, and how security aspects is looked at. So join me for this weekend trainings, and we'll look forward to meeting you, seeing you there. Thank you. Bye all.